The U.S. Navy joined naval forces from Europe, South America, and Africa for Exercise Obangame Express 2014. The week-long exercise will take place near the coasts of Nigeria and Cameroon. It is hosted by U.S. Naval Forces Africa and designed to improve cooperation among African partner nations to increase safety and security in the Gulf of Guinea.
The purpose of Obangame Express is to bring together nations in a maritime at-sea environment, and it's really focused on increasing the regional participation and participation of other nations to build cooperation in combating maritime security issues.
During the exercise, 20 participating nations performed training scenarios that mirror real-world counter-piracy and trafficking operations. USNS Spearhead, the U.S. Navy's first joint high-speed vessel, is one of more than 30 ships participating in this year's exercise. This is the fourth year Obangame Express has taken place. From the Defense Media Activity, I'm Petty Officer Tyrell Morris.